What?
I want to play you with stuffed toy with me.
What else?
Wait, done adventure together.
Ano pa?
And we're gonna make a ship. A girl ship. Full of girl captain.
Girl captain lang.
Yes. Kasi na dead yung husband, the captain nila.
What else?
Yun lang.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. But the floor of the ship is too rough.
Oh, what should we do?
We gonna pick up one of these.
Ano yan?
That's pang soft ng floor. But don't touch this because that's will be broken again. Oh my! Very nice the ship. Oh my gosh, yung leg.
Anong nangyari?
Yung legs naka-bend.
It's okay.
Gusto ko i-move yung table.
I-move mo.
Not now because look, I don't want that ship.
Bakit naman?
Kasi you build a small house up that. That's the ladder ocean. If you need to sleep, you climb up that ladder.
Oh, okay. Masisira eh.
No. If you do that, I will give you this.
Oh, I need that.
Because for your safety, for God. I will give this for you.
Ano?
Give this for you.
Ano yan?
I did that to give that to you so you become baby.
Babe?
Oh, yes. If you get that from me, you become baby.
Oo, di ba? Ang ganda. What can you say?
Thank you. In this bit, slowly because this ship will become one day. This you build will become a beautiful. You become a beautiful bed.
Oh.
And when you go sleepy, you're gonna climb inside that.
Where is my room?
The
Second floor or third floor?
Second floor.
Okay.
Sa baba.
Oh, sige.
Doon yung room mo. Sa taas, doon yung room ko.
What's inside your room?
Full of lipstick.
Ha?
Full of lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yes.
Ano pa?
Yun lang. Full of lipstick lang.
Walang ano, pang eyebrow?
I have to the other room. The second.
Oh, ang daming room. Iba-iba yung lagayan ng ano mo, makeup mo.
I have a lot of eyebrows.
Wow, pang kilay.
Yes.
Can you share with me? Ilan i-share mo sa akin?
One.
One lang? Ilan ba yung pang kilay mo?
Two lang.
Ah, kaya i-share mo sa akin ng isa. Thank you. Kay
Two
daddy, ano
lang
i-share
ang
mo?
lipstick ko eh.
Ha?
Two lang yung lipstick ko dun sa yung kuwin. Not a lot of lipstick.
Paano ako? I don't have lipstick. What are you going to do?
My love guy, why you have your own lipstick?
Where?
On doon sa bed na.
Hindi, what if I don't have lipstick? Anong gagawin mo?
I don't know.
You're not gonna share to me your lipstick?
I'm gonna say, and my eyebrows.
Oh, thank you.
And my eyebrows.
Saan ba yung eyebrow mo? Saan yung eyelashes? Can you show me where's your eyelashes? Ayan.
Ow! I don't.
Asan ang tenga?
Mami, parang English.
Anong Tagalog ng ears?
Mom, no time for English.
What?
No time for English yun. Da.
Why you don't have time? You need to learn Tagalog din ng ears ba?
There's no time for that.
Why? How about your teeth? What's the Tagalog of your teeth?
My dads don't answer them.
Why? Zira? Is that you?
No?
Who are you?
Ah.
Sino ka?